Here at Pace, we love to partner with local churches to help everyone in schools explore the Christian faith. We do lessons, assemblies and lunchtime clubs, and we also provide professional training and supervision for pastoral staff in schools. As schools workers, we really miss being able to visit schools in person to see people's faces, answer big questions and help people explore what it means to follow Jesus. But during this season, we've been busy producing loads of great video versions of our assemblies for primary schools and lessons for secondary schools. These are all available on our website for free. Please do check them out and use them in school, send them home or share them online. I know it's nowhere near as good as having us in person, but it'll give you an idea of what happens when we do come in if you've not already had that pleasure. And you might like to use the videos to prepare lots of useful questions for us when we are next able to visit, which we hope to do as soon as it's possible again. Whether you're a teacher, a parent, a carer or a student, we haven't forgotten you. You're in our prayers. We're here to help any way that we can, and we look forward to being able to see you before too long.